Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pedicure on pinched toenails. So stay tuned for that. So after I removed the client's polish, I'm going to go in with some of my cuticle remover. I'm doing this as the first step because her toenails are really hard, and because the big toe is so pinched, I'm definitely going to need to use this product to help soften her toenails so that I can cut through them easier. Another thing you notice that's different from my traditional pedicure is that I'm using a cuticle nipper instead of the nail clippers. And again, it's because her toenails are kind of pinched, so the shape of like my regular straight edge the shape of my regular straight edge nail clippers would make it harder for me to clip her toenails. These cuticle nippers are a bit smaller too than my traditional nail clippers, so I can get into her nails and cut them as I need to. Sometimes I have to go in at a different angle to be able to cut her toes, so you'll see me doing that a couple times as well. And again, if I had my regular straight edge nail clippers, I wouldn't be able to go in at the angles that I need to in order to cut her toes. So like right here, because her nail was pinched, I had to like go in at an angle. It creates a bit of space, and then I can go in with my cuticle nippers and cut straight across now. And you can see like she has a lot of debris and a lot of stuff on, it's our left but her right. So she has like a lot of buildup and things like that. And I was kind of going in a little bit more aggressive than for like a normal pedicure, but I just checked in with my client, made sure that she was still comfortable and I wasn't like digging into like any like live skin. She definitely, she was being really communicative, and she wasn't in pain or anything like that, so I was just going in, doing what I had to do. So after cutting and shaping the free edge of the nails, I'm going to go in with my sanding band per usual and prep the toenails. For the 4 little toes, this part was, pretty like the same thing I normally do. Just put my e-file on a low speed and then just like remove the shine and any like surface debris on the nail plate. And then when I switch over to the big toe, yes, her nail is really thick, and I have to keep in mind that her toenail isn't thick like on top, it's the bottom part. So there's like a bunch of stuff on the bottom of her nail in between like the nail plate and the nail bed. So right here I just filed, per usual. I wasn't trying to like remove any thickness on the top of her nail because that's not where the thickness is, it's on the bottom. So you have to keep that in mind as well when you have a client with a thick toenail. Is it thick because the nail plate itself is thick, or is it thick because there's a bunch of stuff underneath the nail plate? In this client's case, it's a bunch of stuff and debris underneath the nail plate, so that's where we have to focus on. So here I'm going in with the, what is this called? This is a cuticle tool as well. Whatever. And so I'm just trying to, again, release as much debris and stuff as possible. Again, on that left side of her nail, our left or her right, she just got a lot of stuff under there. She's got a lot of stuff under her toes in general. So I'm just trying to like use this tool to just loosen up as much stuff as I can before I go in with my cuticle remover and basically do this process again. I love this teardrop shaped e-felt bit because I can use it to get into her sidewalls, and it really helps to open up, so to speak, her sidewall so that I can remove more debris from her sidewalls. So after using my other tools and bits, I'm able to get into this corner that was giving me trouble before so that I can remove, you know, all that debris, dead skin, all that stuff from under there. So you can see it's coming out little by little. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, but also not too gentle, because if you're too gentle it won't come out. But look at all that stuff that was like in her toe. She wanted to see it, so I like gave it to her. But like, as you can see, now that that big chunk of stuff is gone, I'm able to like use my tool and get into that side of her nail and really clean all that stuff out so that it won't be uncomfortable for her anymore. can see there's a very big difference from the before and after. This is a shot before we put on her polish, but her toes look really clean, and we got all that debris and dead skin out. And now when we go with our polish, they look even better. So yeah, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!